And if she's just kind of watching and just doing nothing, you can just give a bit of praise. Good girl.
Good girl, Koda. Koda.
Good, just stand still.
Girl, Koda.
Right, what are you doing? Yeah.
Good girl, Koda. Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
Koda.
See, she's sniffing, picking up his scent and everything. So again, like what we talked about earlier is, if this was a random person, you need this time for her to settle. Because part of, if she was jumping up and lunging like that, like the meeting itself won't go good, but you're also rewarding her for bad behaviour.
Yeah.
If I pull, I get to go say hello to the dog. So part of it is to let that behaviour go away. Now she's showing good behaviour.
Good
So
girl.
what you're looking for in her body posture is, you can probably see now she's standing upright a bit. She's a bit taller. Before she was a bit more hunched down. So when they're kind of low like that, you know, they're getting ready to lunge and pounce. So you want her to stand up nice and upright. So you got a bit of relaxed waggy tail. That's good. The tail tells you the least amount of information though.
Yep.
Your dog can wag its tail and still bite another dog.
Yeah, yeah.
I forget. Onyx, get up. The shaking, but now that the fixation, she's like ready to pounce. So there's a lot of prey drive here as well. Stop it! Stop it! Making it worse, Onyx. Probably the easiest things to read is like her mouth and her face. So see now she's like doing that, the pant. If she goes closes the mouth, that's usually where a bite comes. It's usually close the mouth or a nip. Or licking the lips usually means there's a nip coming. And you're also looking for like her body, if it really freezes and just...
That's when she's gonna...
That's when something... So if we're doing this sort of thing and we kind of like approach and go say hello, but then she licks her lips and freezes and gets down lower, like right there, that's probably where you want to go, let's go, Onyx.
Let's go, Koda.
Get up. So disengaging, giving her a little bit of space. All right, now just, let her stand there. Good girl.
Good girl, Koda.
You see now she's starting to care about him less. Bit of licking of her lips there. Licking of her lip and fixate, you saw that?
You don't praise, do you?
No. You praise for good things.
Okay, yeah.
So she's thinking, if he comes close, I'm probably going to try and nip at him.
Yeah.
Because every time he comes get up, a little bit closer, she stops, licks his lips and stares. So for me, that tells me she was thinking about having a nip. She might not. But definitely if we went straight away, say hello, straight in each other's face. Let's go.
Let's go, Koda.
Good boy. And she's very unsure. Like, I think we can probably get them to say hello.
Yep.
It'll probably be okay. But all her behaviour shows me she doesn't know what she's doing. Like, she's confused.
Yeah.
She's showing signs that she wants to say hello to him. Get up. Get up. But at the same time, he's like, oh, I want to say hello. Oh, I want to say hello. But then he goes, hang on a second. Does that. So she's very confused about what to do. Onyx, stop it! Jesus. Moose just has to roll around on new grass. Taylor. Good.
Koda.
Good girl. Now call her away and have a play with her.
Koda, let's go.
Good. And now pats and cuddles and slap on the side and rough play and just...
What are you doing?
So she did what we wanted. She got close to a dog. She disengaged when you asked.
Yep.
So she gets rewarded for that.
Yep.
Now we let it settle a bit. She's had a bit of a play. She saw Onyx rolling around. Now we just let her calm down, chill out a little bit for a sec. Now let's, this time, same thing. Say hello. Got a bit of a stalk there. Good girl. Good boy, Onyx. Call her away now.
Come on, Koda, let's go.
It's funny that she's gagging.
Yeah.
She's not even on a collar. She's on a harness.
Yeah.
So it's like, where's the gag coming from?
Yeah. Yeah, you try not to pull, but she's just pulling you too much, and it's just like...
But I mean, the pressure's like here, not on her throat, so it's weird. Onyx, let's go. Let's go again. Say hello.
Koda, Koda, say hello.
See, now she's going. Okay. And then that point there where she goes, turns her head, that's when you should disengage as well.
Okay.
So what she kind of says to me there is, she went, oh, hi Onyx, let me go, let me get out of here.
Yep.
So if she's telling you, I don't want to do it, or I've sniffed him, I've done what you've asked, I feel uncomfortable, then you say, no problem, let's get out of here.
Yep.
So the funny, and we see this a lot, is you get a lot of that kind of reactivity and overexcitement, frustration and distance. We get up close, and all of a sudden she's like, actually, I'm a bit of a scaredy cat, and I don't know what I'm doing. So she acts big and brave, but up close, say hello. She's kind of like, actually, what do I do here? Good girl. Good boy, Onyx.
Good girl, Koda.
Good girl. Let's go.
Let's go.
And over time, we just start to let them go for a little bit longer. Right, let's do it again. Say hello.
Say hello.
Yeah, okay. But can you see like her body now is more relaxed?
Yep.
You're like, there's barely any tension on the lead as well.
Good girl, Koda.
Good job. And over time, she'll start to care less and less about Onyx.
Yep.
Because what she's kind of doing is like, oh, Onyx, what's going on over here?
Yep.
Onyx. Say hello. Good boy.
Good
job,
Koda.
Koda. Good girl. There you go, sniff his butt. Let her come, you step forward a little bit, let her come in. Good, now there, at that point
Good
there.
girl.
As soon as she
Come on,
turns her
Koda.
head, you go, let's go. Have a good play now. Give her a bit of a massage.
Hey, you're a good girl. What is this? What behaviour is that?
I am friendly.
When
But-
you want to be.
You know, but like I said, she's not meeting that random dog that's walking past right now that she'll never see again.
Yep.
We've been doing this for 10 minutes or so,
Yep.
and now we've got the behaviour that we like.
Yep.
And always, to get this successful, it takes time and distance.
Yep.
Let's go again.
Koda,
Say hello.
say hello.
Good girl.
Let's go.
Nice.
Good
And
girl.
I'm still careful not to let Onyx go into her too much as well.
Yeah.
Because she is still,
A bit wary.
yeah, she's you can see she's not really wanting or letting Onyx move past her. Like
Yeah.
Onyx wants to go around and sniff her as well, but every time he kind of goes past a little bit, she's like, what are you doing?
Is she?
What
Is
are you
that
doing?
the dominance?
No, it's more just, she's making herself vulnerable, letting
Okay.
him go behind her
Yep.
is scary. Where she's like, no, I'm fine if we're right in front of each other and I can see you,
Yep.
but I can't see what you're doing back there.
Yep.
So she hasn't completely trusted him.
Lucky.
Say hello.
Say hello. Say hello.
Looks like, oh, my chance. Good
Now,
girl.
Koda.
Good
Let's
job.
go.
Nice.
Go. Come here.